This is Maria. She and her kids live in a home they rent that needs a few repairs. Maria has been asking her landlord to make those repairs, but it's just not getting done. She's frustrated because she's asked many times and doesn't know what else to do. Maria's friend told her about renters getting help from the Right to Counsel program from Legal Aid Services of Oklahoma. Just like all renters, Maria has a right to get legal information, advice, and representation when asking her landlord to make repairs according to her lease agreement. And since she qualifies, Legal Aid Services of Oklahoma can provide her with all of that at no cost. An advocate with LASO helped Maria by drafting a letter to her landlord and making sure her rights were protected. The advocate also made sure Maria didn't pay for any rent or fees she wasn't supposed to while repairs were made. And if Maria's case had needed to go to court, LASO would have represented Maria at no cost. Maria exercised her right to counsel and, with help from LASO, got the repairs her rental needed. You can get help with your landlord or rental problems too. Just call the hotline to discuss your case and find out if you qualify for free assistance.